Let's take a moment and learn how to use the auxiliary input on Pioneer's AVH-280BT. Before we get started with the aux input, let's take a look at a setting on the head unit to make sure that we're all set up and ready to go. So from any of the sources, let's touch the gears up here, and we want to go to the toolbox and check aux input and make sure it is turned on. Here we can switch aux input on or off, and what that means is on your drop-down menu, on your drop-down source list, it can be there or not. So for right now, we're going to switch auxiliary input off, and we'll hit the X here. And that means that when I use my drop-down source list, auxiliary does not show up in the list here. And also if I hit my home button, auxiliary is grayed out and we can't select it. So we're going to go back to the gears, and we will go to aux input and switch that on. And then we're going to hit the X. Now remember that the aux input is on the back of this head unit, and so you need an auxiliary extension that you can plug into the back with its 1/8" jack. We'll plug that into the back of the head unit. Then we can plug the other end into our favorite music player. We'll plug that in here. Now let's switch to the auxiliary source. Here's auxiliary. And remember, turn up the volume on your music player before you turn up the volume on the 280. The auxiliary input works for both audio and video. This is the audio source, or the music source. If we touch here, we can switch to video input as well. Touch here again to switch back to straight audio input.